Let's say you have a website and you want to add a weather widget onto your website. You can do this by adding application programming interface. So, what is API? API basically stands for application programming interface, and the key functions of it is integration with external applications, communication between systems, and data access and retrieval. So now let's jump into a practical usage. Here we are going to use API Playground. We can use two websites, one for generating the request, which is reqbin.com, and the other one is to use the dummy data, which is the jsonplaceholder.com. So as we jump into the website, we first go through jasonplaceholder.com. If you scroll down the website, you will see different sections. Here we have to go onto the section of get request. Get request link where we have the dummy data. As you can see, you have to just click on this link, and once you click on this link, you will see the dummy data in the JSON format. Now let's head over to RecBin website. On the screen, you will see on the left side of the website, you will see get request example. Just click on it. And then once you click the send button, you will get the input field wherein you can put the domain address from where you will get the data or where you want to fetch the data from. Here I'm going to use the JSON placeholder website. Once I put the website address on the input field and then I press enter, I should get the demo data in the down below once I scroll down. So as you can see, the dummy data is available here, which we sourced it from the jasonplaceholder.com. You can also explore different parts like what is the content in the headers field, raw fields, and timing fields. So this is how basically API works. We have seen a complete practical example from generating the request to receiving the data. Thanks for watching. Kindly let me know your feedback in the comment section and I will reply to it. Thank you.